welcome to a new video. My name is Will. Today, in this 2022, I want to take you to new places, especially today. Today, I want to take you to a place that's one of my favorites of the world. Let's go to Forbidden City. Right now, we are at the entrance. Most of the buildings and statues are still the same that were built hundreds of years ago. Alright, these structures that we have right here, built in over 1400s, they got more than 500 years ago, over the Ming Dynasty, and they are in the right front of the Forbidden City. We're just crossing the main entrance of the Forbidden City. We're gonna go through one of the gates. You could imagine, like many centuries ago, a lot of people were coming in, but not everyone. That's pretty important. Just the important people, the court, the concubines were allowed to get into it. Nowadays, everyone is allowed to get in. But before, it was just a privilege to get into the Forbidden City. Place that is over 250 acres big. So you could imagine how big is this place. There are over 10,000 buildings, 10,000 rooms. It's massive. Alright, we got the automatic guide service, so we are gonna be by ourselves. Nobody's gonna be with us. It's pretty much what we need. Just wanna put it in our ear, and it has all the information that we need to know to get into the Forbidden City. It comes with a map, and it's gonna tell us where exactly we're gonna go. And it comes with a GPS inside, so it's gonna detect where exactly we are. That's pretty cool. It's amazing to think like this building of this place took a lot of time and put in everything, including these rocks. Took a lot of effort and time during those times. Every stone got dragons and shapes. Really good craft. You can see all the details in it. We have the gates. This gate in the middle, as you can see, is for the important people that goes through the middle of it. Right now that one is closed, and usually the workers go through the corners. We got one on the right, one on the left at the other side. So we're gonna go and take one of those gates. Now the Forbidden City is a popular place for people to come. Usually girls like to come dressed as the people in the past, take beautiful pictures. On the back, this is the Hall of the Supreme Harmony. That was one of the main places for the emperors to have special ceremonies or events with other people. As you guys can see, it's dark in the inside because the light probably will harm everything that is inside. As you guys can see, 24 emperors. We're having here discussions and celebrating main events in this place. So this place was one of the most important ones here in the Forbidden City. And this was the hall where the emperor stayed there to have a rest before going to the Hall of the Supreme Harmony that is right there in the back.